We have mentioned that high-quality insulated materials and accessories tools could improve the insulation layer, anti-condensation performance effectively. With these foundations, professional installation skills can guarantee the insulation performance. Installation craft matters a lot, too. The traditional installation relies more on manual cutting. The irregular parts are installed by workers' manual lofting, resulting in joint seams, massive deviations, giant gaps for insulation materials, easy breakage, and condensation. Durkflex adopts the accurate modular cutting, achieving the standardized manufacturing for irregular parts. On-site CNC cutting equipment fulfills the uninterrupted 45-degree diagonal cutting skills and whole insulation material pieces attached to the piping and ducting system. With less seaming and stronger sealing, condensation issues could be solved more effectively. The high-sealing pre-insulated flange strip is adopted on the joint of two sections of ducting, with better performance of anti-condensation for the central AC piping insulation seam. Durkflex uses the 45-degree slope docking to decrease the tension force at joints, improving the adhesive strength by 40%, greatly reducing the condensation risk of the piping joints. Durkflex has effectively resolved condensation issues of piping and ducting systems by high-quality insulated materials, exclusive accessories tools, and intelligent CNC cutting and installation crafts. Remember to like and follow.